Alright, this is a video on how to crop something that looks like this into something that looks like this. Notice that this isn't quite a rectangle shape, so you have to do some weird resizing. So the way that I do this is I go to my internet browser, photopea.com, P-E-A.com. It's basically Photoshop, free, in your browser, pretty awesome. So File, Open, go to your picture that you want. It looks like that. We need to crop it to size, so you come over here. By default, this is typically if I right-click, this is a crop tool. If you right-click, come down here to perspective crop, or if you just type C a bunch of times, it alternates between these. And then you just want to kind of drag your corners to the right spots. When you first drag it, it's a rectangle, but then you can drag your corners to the right spots, so roughly there and roughly there. Good. Check. And it looks good. So you're done. So save it, file, export as PNG, if it would work. You can change this if you want, but I'm just going to save it as is, and you'd resave it right there, .png, save. Yeah, sure, we'll replace it. And we're done. What does it look like if we click on it, open up? It looks great.